Hello friends, Mrs. Walt here with your daily phonics lesson. Exciting news, we're going to be starting a new syllable type called vowel R. Okay, the signal for vowel R is going to look like this, like the good luck symbol, like cross your fingers like this. This is going to be our symbol when we see a vowel followed by an R. So our first example is this word, or this syllable type pseudo word we've got here. Find the vowel. And you may be saying, oh, it's followed by a consonant, so it must be closed. The rule is, if it's a vowel followed by an R, this is going to be our vowel R syllable type, okay? So when you see this pattern, it is going to say a different sound. It is, the UR will say Everybody say This word would be der. I'm going to write this word der on my vowel R syllable side. Okay, we're going to do some more. Okay, find the vowel. It's followed by an R. Everybody do that signal. Followed by an R. It's going to change its sound to So this word would be blur. That sounds like a real word, but it was with a U. So blur is going to go on my vowel R syllable side. Okay. Find my vowels, or vowels, and I see two. This tells me this is a vowel team, so this is not a vowel R syllable type. That's a vowel team where it's going to say ooh. That's a foog. Okay, find my vowels. And you're saying, I know you are. Oh, silent E syllable. This is not a vowel R. It's going to go on this side. Silent E syllable, pone. Rhymes with phone, pone. Very good. If you said, oh, vowel R, I see a vowel followed by an R. Very good. It's going to go on our vowel R syllable side. And let's sound it out. Remember, ER is going to say dern. Oh, hopefully you're making that box with your fingers. Yes, this is a consonant L-E, full. I bet there were a couple of you might have wanted to say open, but remember, consonant L-E. Find the vowel. Not R, is it? Closed syllable. It's going to go on the side. Looks like a san. Okay, find the vowel. What do you see? The consonant R, yeah. So, vowel R syllable. So, you're thinking, it's not When AR is together, it's going to say R. So, glar. Strange pseudo word, glar. Okay, very good. You should be saying open. That is open. Vowel followed by nothing. It can run away. That is open. That's a roo. Hold this up so we can see it better. Okay, ready? Very good. If you're doing this, we have a vowel I followed by R. Sure is going to go on our vowel R side. Why am I writing shirt? I wanted to make it into a real word. Oopsie. Shirt. Sure. Okay, ready? If you're doing this, very good. Vowel team. That's going to be og. Remember, AU says all. It's going to go on this side. That is not a vowel R syllable. It's a vowel team. Sog. Here or here? Where's it going to go? Very good. I don't see a vowel followed by R. It is a closed syllable. And how would you read that? If you said scun, good job, scun. Okay, I know you're thinking, oh, vowel followed by an R. It is a vowel R syllable. Let me see that signal. It would go on this side, the yes side. So, hopefully you're remembering. Well, I know, Mrs. Walt, when I see O and R, that's or. That's going to make the sound or. That's the word or, O-R. Court. That sounds like a real word, but that's not the correct way to spell the real court. Okay. Here or here. Very good. If you said vowel R syllable, it is an O and an R together. It's going to say or. So this word would be vorp. Okay, so let's practice before we say goodbye. Let's practice going back and reading some of these words. So let's get ready. Let's go through our vowel R syllable types first. You ready? Say it with me. Dur. Get ready. Say it with me. Blur. Get ready. Say it with me. Dern. Get ready. Remember that says R. Get ready. Glar. Get ready. Sure. Ready? Court. And last one, vorp. Okay, these are our brand new vowel R syllable types. Before we close, let's go over all the other examples that we made. We've got a fug, pone, ready? Full, san, rue, sog, and scun. Okay, so remember, friends, your job is to read, and look for those different syllable types. I want you looking for vowel R patterns in your reading this week, okay, and into next week. So I'm going to say bye for now, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye.